Hey everybody, it's Lisa and I'm here to make fashion simple. Today I'm going to talk about a problem that you probably don't even know that you have, but I'm going to solve it for you anyway. So the problem is with these darn layering necklaces. You guys know what I'm talking about. It's very in fashion to have multi-necklaces that you're wearing, but you're probably purchasing the ones that already are layered. It's a lot more fun and more individual if you have your own specific layering. There's an easy way to do it. The first thing that you have to have for this is one of these amazing necklace magnetic thingies. So this one is from Kendra Scott. So we'll do a cutaway so you can see it closer. But basically, it's two pieces that clip together, magnets. Ta-da! Magic. And then you have 3 lobster claws here and 3 rings over here. So you basically choose your necklaces. You're going to clip them all in there, and then every time that you want it, you just clip it to the back. Falls exactly perfectly. You don't have to do anything. It's all ready to go. Kendra Scott. So they're having a big sale. They have these little guys in gold and silver tone. And then also necklace extenders. I'll show one of those later. And the single. So like, let's say that you have a single necklace and you are having trouble with this tiny little clasp. You put those little magnets on the end. It's just a single and it just clips every time. So that would help pretty much anybody, but especially people that have trouble with those tiny little hooks and don't have a lovely strong man in the home or anybody else to help them put that together. Okay, so let's talk about how you're going to create your perfect trio layering necklace set. So the first thing we want to do is choose the metal that we want. People are really partial to either silver metals or gold metals, not the kind from the Olympics. Metals, you know what I mean. So I personally like them both. I tend to wear more gold because of my coloring. So my coloring is more of a fall sort of coloring with the red hair. So gold tones are going to look better on me. Some people, silver tones may look better. The most modern way to do it is to mix your metals and to throw in some pearls because pearls are really popular this year. So I'm going to show you my favorite necklace and then we'll talk about kind of how I got there. This one is one you guys, no doubt have seen me wear all the time. This one, long chain. I love this coin pendant. This is from Miranda Fry. I'll make a link for Miranda Fry for you. She has a lot of these. These are gold plated and they are differing sizes and you can get these for less than $35. And then I have just a little set of pearls. And then a necklace that is both silver and gold that has the tiniest bit of detail with these little dots. And so all of it mixed together goes with just literally just about anything that I'm going to wear. And it hangs just right. Now the smallest necklace is usually going to be about a 16-inch, going all the way to an 18-inch. If you prefer looser necklaces, that's not a problem. You can get extenders for any necklace. And I said I was going to show you an example of that. So, okay, still I don't, oh, here it is. Here's an example of a necklace extender. It's not even the right color particularly, so I extended this one out. So you can see how that works for me. Now my formula is I choose a centerpiece necklace like this with the coin, and then I choose a plain chain of some variety. Now, in my case, I chose pearls right there. You can also choose one of these little paper chain link, and these are really cheap. They're like 10 bucks on Amazon. This one is gold plated, and then this one is silver. Now, these are real helpful because they're easily adjustable. You can make them from, as you can see, from this length all the way down, you know, to a choker. So this is going to be a good one for adjusting. And then what was the other thing? Oh, and then a little chain that has some detail. Right now, this is the only one I really have that has detail. So that's something to look for, I guess. All right, so I'm going to make another one. And this one, I am going to start with my centerpiece as my Tiffany's heart. And I decided, I've thought about this. I really like these kind of chains on seed pearls. Maybe this isn't your jam. Don't worry. Put it on something else. You might be able to find one of these in a really, really small, so you could put a charm on there. Or maybe, or maybe some other kind of chain. There's lots of pretty chains out there. These, I got most of these on Amazon, so you can find them there. And then this one required a longer extender. Now, the reason why is because I want it to be the longest one. And since these are little seed pearls, it's not going to be, there's no flexibility in how long this is going to be. So I had to create some length there. So there's that one. I'm trying to remember how I did this before. This one's more silver. Then I have this silver. And I think I'm going to go ahead and go with pearls. But I don't have another set of pearls, so I have to steal from this one. Ooh, I hate to take it apart. Once you get it set, you really want to keep it the way it is. Well, okay, we're going to have to just get the idea. So you would take these, and then you would take your little extender and put them the length that you wanted it. I'm going to do this one with just two in the interest of time. I could even do the gold and the silver. Okay, so there is number one, and I'm going to go ahead and check it, make sure that it's where I want it to hang. Now be sure and check if you want something to hang facing a certain direction, make sure you check for that too. Okay, so there's that. That's a little low. So I would make it shorter. I guess I have to do that. I have to follow through this whole exercise, huh? This one actually, I don't know why I made it so long before. It just needs its regular, like how it would have been normally. Okay, and then I'm going to put on this silver chain. All right, so now I have two, and this is going to be way far off. I'm going to want it much closer. But what I would do is I would do trial and error. Oh my gosh, this is awful. I would do trial and error until I got it exactly right. This one obviously needs to be much longer. But you go back and forth a little bit. Set aside some time to play with it, because not the morning you're going to wear it. Set aside time when you are, not doing anything else. By the way, Kendra has some pretty necklaces for you to look at online, so you can look and choose some. I can't see myself, but I'm guessing that this is somewhat close. And you might also, like I said, put pearls with it, put a chunkier, you could put a chunky necklace like this with it. That would be a lot of necklace, but it would be cute. You could do that. Any old thing. Just try to find something that you enjoy seeing together. If you have certain necklaces that you love, Just put them all together. Wear them all the time. Enjoy them. As we're talking, I wanted to bring up a couple of other necklaces. I also saw a good sale on at Ann Taylor and Ann Taylor Loft, and they had this amazing cute necklace. So this is a long chain, and then this is what they called an invisible hook or clasp. So this one is a brushed gold, and you clasp it anywhere you want. So isn't that cute? I love this one. And another thing is I have pearls now, and you might want to look for this, that are just straight up magnetic. Now these aren't real pearls, obviously, and I have the bracelet to match. So I don't wear them together necessarily, but that's another fun option that you might want to use. All right, so I wanted to go ahead and give you some pricing on these. On those lobster clasps, those are called a Layer It with an apostrophe. They are on sale $15.40 each. You really only need two. I have a gold one and a silver one. That's really all you need. Then you can get the necklace extenders. They have the fancy ones and they have the simple ones. Honestly, I think the simple ones, which are just like what I was showing you on one of my necklaces here, is plenty good. They're $5 and about $5.50 each. They're in rose gold, silver, and in regular gold. And then they also had the singles. Let me find it. There they are, in gold and in silver, and they're called a clip-on converter. And that is that they convert them into magnets. That would have been a better way for me to state that. But those are $5.60 each. That is a great gift idea for somebody. I highly recommend those. All right, so that's all I had today. I hope you found this enjoyable and educational. My producer says hit subscribe down at the bottom and the notification bell, and give my video a thumbs up. That's what they do, right? Thumbs up. Give me a thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. Be sure and enjoy yourself. Fashion should be fun.